Business office, nakakain. This science in office administration, you have to learn this types of letters, format, two types of workplace documents, the memos, and formal reports. What are those formal reports? One. Next.
First, what is business writing? Business writing is workplace writing, which is a form of technical writing. Workplace writing is generally persuasive writing. Example 1. A resume to persuade a potential employer to offer an interview. Example 2. A findings report to persuade employees to follow certain policies or procedures in order to improve performance or correct execution.
What is persuasive again? Kaya. In English, convincing. To convince. If you write a resume, see to it that you are writing a resume that is persuading to your employer. Bakit? Why? Bakit kailangan ma-convince sa inyong resume? Do you know the difference between the resume and the application letter? Wala. Wala, hindi. Bakit mo sabi? Do you know the difference sa resume and application letter? Opo, hindi. Yes or no? Yes. About ang difference? Sige, what is the difference? Sa resume at application, nag-guess mo ka ba? Yes. Ang resume ka, para matagaan ka sa ang baktoryo, A, B, C ka. Ang difference?
Ang resume ay mag-fix na nakakalua ang mga full information na sa inyong workplace, ang mother.
Can you speak in English?
The resume ma'am is written about this also. Your name, your address, it's all about your information, personal information like numbers, email, other one application letter
Yun lang, sa resume. Persuade mo. Can you persuade your employer for all those information given? Like your name, your number, ano pa ito yung resume?
and also in one it also nakakapaloob sa resume your skills like mga seminars, your skills like communication skills, like managing time, then on how to persuade the management.
Thank you. The most important thing there is your skills. Ano ba your skills? Skills and your educational background. Kung yun naman kanila, tapos mo ma-apply ka manager, diploma, bago inside. And the application letter, what about application letter? Okay, next one, Mr. Dito sa'yo. Anay. What about application letter? Huwag ka mong sulat? Ay, huwag ka mo nag-try? Nag-sulat? Nag-try? Sige, nag-try na ka mong sulat. Wala ka daw sa sulat. Correct! Pag-apply ka sa immersion, wala ka mo nagsulat ng application. O wala na niyo mo na. Ano na mapunta sa application? Your what? Your purpose? A for applying for a job. Ano iputang mo na sa imo ha? Purpose. To be a floor manager. O manager yan po. Pero floor. Ano floor manager? Wala pasok? Ano man? Ano floor manager? Taga lang pasok? Hindi alam. Five, 10, 15, 22, 27,